Scholars, students, and academic gurus converged on College of Health Sciences, O.A.U University, Ile-Ife, for the 16th Annual Faculty Conference and also to mark 50th years of academic excellence with the theme Dentistry Without Border. The host, Dean Faculty of Dentistry, Professor Morenike Upong, described the conference as an interactive forum that would help the faculty and students in building their academic capacity.
This faculty conference, it was the Faculty of Dentistry, O.A.U University, that did the first ever in the country, as well as the first ever in the O.A.U University. I think one of the things is which is one of the gains of this faculty conference, is the platform it provides for our students and our staff to network and reach out and engage with other people. But for this year, we looked at Dentistry Without Borders because we continue to think that it's very important that people start to think beyond their immediate practice. So as dentists, you are trained, it's true, to be a very proficient dentist, but you have tools in your hands that enables you to do beyond dentistry.
Whatever is within our power, whatever is within our knowledge, whatever is within our competence to assist, in enhancing the healthcare of the generality of Nigerians. So this program today is part of that process. We are from dentistry. We are all very competent, in advancing the oral health of Nigerians. And we have done that not only in this country, in so many other places. So this is our own country.
We have a crisis in Nigeria. We have people carrying certificates all around. They have no jobs. It is not their fault. It's the system that has failed them. So those of us who are responsible for this learning process must begin to think about how best we can help these students.
Some of the presenters delivered their various research works to the public.
The significance of the prevalence and pattern of impacted mandibular third molar among O.A.U University Teaching Hospital complex patients is to know how common impaction is, especially for the mandibular third molar, and also to know the most common pattern of impaction.
The purpose of this study is to define what an aesthetic face is on a subjective and objective way of assessment, and it was known that division of the face into equal horizontal thirds and vertical fifths defines what an aesthetic face is. So we want to check if faces in this part of the world conforms to the known ratio that has been known, but we found out that none of the faces conform to that ratio, which means faces in this part of the world we have another ratio for facial beauty.
The significance of the presentation was to look at the prevalence of orofacial gunshot injury that occur within the last, in a period of 10 years, between 2010 and 2019. So looking at our record, we saw more than 2,800 patients that were admitted. So amongst these 2,800 patients, about 25 of them sustained gunshot injury. And from our findings, we noticed that majority of these patients, about 17 of them, had this gunshot injury.
Now, the significance is that knowing the factors that initiate smoking will help us to formulate policies and then also organize programs that can help in preventing the uptake of the smoking habits. Well, first of all, we want them to know the deleterious health effects of smoking. So many of them don't even really know how terrible smoking habits can be. Now, as we said that we have over 7,000 chemicals in cigarette smoke, and hundreds of them are very toxic, and about over 70 of them can cause cancer. So many of them, because they have not really been having these issues.
The significance of my presentation is to basically look at how mentoring can be used to improve the academic performance of dental students in Nigeria. So what we assessed was their perception and experience of mentoring, of dental students. And we found that dental students are willing to be mentored in the dental school in order to ensure that they do well academically.
The 16th Annual Faculty Conference is a 2-day event that richly engaged with abstract presentation from scholars within and outside Nigeria. From Obafemi Awolowo University, Abdul Fattah Owolabi, NTA News.